Garbage disposal.
We in society must be a lot smarter if we are to hand over responsibility of our planet to future generations in livable conditions. Our garbage landfills are topping off, and as I look around New York City and see the monuments of it daily, it shows consumerism at full tilt with no visible end in sight. There has to be a solution, or we will be literally buried in it. We display great intelligence in finding solutions to some of our most pressing issues, and continue to dispose of unwanted materials the same way for the past 100 years, not considering the population growth and concentrations in numerous cities. If we are able to amass a concentrated technological intelligence base to resolve whatever issues presented, putting fears in our psyche with the possibility of overruling and commanding humanity, and yet we, lords of the planet, doing whatever pleases us, do not have the capabilities of correcting this incredible immature blunder of so much littering. Why isn't there a solution? I thought for a minute, everything is recyclable. It all came from the planet. We just have to learn how to return it properly instead of showing ineptitude by dumping it. We need to consistently divide the returnables. That's right, returnables, not garbage. We must change the terminology and approach to this issue. Different color sanitation trucks, each assigned to pick up separated returnables like bottles and cans, organic, furniture and appliances, garments, each destined to a different plant for a specific operation, making the truckload contents reusable and at the same time helping to diminish the plundering of natural resources, reducing carbon emissions and our very own disintegration. So let's pay attention to what is most urgent. Peace and blessings to everyone.
Subscribe and support our channel. elticoworldwide.com